Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching and spending a little time with me today. For this week, I'm going to be memory planning the week of February 22nd in my medium Recollections Celestial planner. This kit that I've already laid down is a beautiful kit by Miss and Meow. If you'd like to see how I pre-plan this week and how I've already laid down these stickers, I'll have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can watch it after this. But for this video, I'm going to go ahead and memory plan with day by day, like what I did or things that I ate or just stuff like that, in all of the blank white spaces. That way everything looks all filled up and pretty by the end of the week. And I have memories to look back on and reflect on. And so this is the week of my birthday week, so it's a little bit more different than I typically would have a week with the events, like eating out and stuff like that. So anyways, normally that doesn't happen as often, but this is my birthday week, so let's go ahead and get memory planning. So first up on Monday, I just wanted to mark that we got our direct deposit from some of our unemployment. My husband and I are unemployed because of the virus, so I don't normally mark when we get the direct deposit put in, but I was waiting for it, and so I wanted to mark that we got it in because there wasn't a lot else I needed to mark on Monday. So I'm going to take a triple arrow from my newest addiction and then the little money bag and the arrow from the kit just to write in the direct deposit. Then on Monday I also had a free I had a coupon for a free dozen of original glazed donuts from Krispy Kreme, and those are delicious, so I definitely wanted to get my free donuts. So I'm going to use one of these cute little bowstrung clouds from the Give and Girl and layer that with a circle from the kit, and then this adorable little sprinkly donut from Papershire from that was like a sampler sheet I got somewhere. And then I liked the idea on Thursday how the little danglies from the Give and Girl reminded me of like a rain cloud above the cloud I used on Thursday. So I kind of, instead of doing it above the cloud, this time I did it below the cloud, so it would look more like a rain cloud and it would just kind of be pretty. And I didn't have anything else to mark, so I'm just taking some of these really pretty dangly heart decos and then also some of these sparkly little dangly deco things. That sheet is actually for the Hobo Weeks, and it's like a little clipboards, but then in the negative space she filled it up with a cute, little few of these sparkly dangles. So I just mixed those up, and then I'm going to take some of her tiny bow like fairy string lights. These are so cute and dainty, and just kind of crisscross those and make it look super special and extra, of course, you know me. So that was just to mark that we went to Krispy Kreme and got my free dozen of donuts, glazed donuts. I usually don't get the glazed. Like if I had a choice and I was paying for the donuts, I usually wouldn't get glazed because it's just too like basic, It's good, but it's just like when I would much rather prefer like a chocolate donut or like a Boston cream or something, But if they're free, I'll take them, They're delicious, so. My gratitude on Monday, I wrote rest, just because I was grateful to get some rest on Monday. I had a little sticky note, one of those transparent sticky note page flags from the Giving Girl on there because my mom had a doctor appointment she needed me to take her to, but I always put her doctor appointments on little removable sticky notes now because sometimes she cancels them. And for example, this Tuesday she did cancel it, so I don't want to like put that in my planner and then she cancels it. So I took that off. And then I took a third box from the kit and layered that with a little floral divider from Honey Inked on the bottom to kind of match the scallops on the top. And I used a work script from Tuuli Plans and then a bow, a laptop doodle from the Give and Girl with a Nikki squiggle from Colored Daze. And my gratitude on Tuesday was that I love my body the way that it is. Even though I am still trying to lose weight, I'm still grateful and appreciate everything that my body does for me, and the size that it is now is still beautiful. So I felt like that on Tuesday. Wednesday was my birthday, so I made sure to get my free drink from Starbucks. So I used it's like a little sticky note paper clip thing from the Give and Girl, little fun size box there, and I laid it on its side, and then I'm gonna layer that with a pretty giant floral deco from the kit. Well, it came with the kit, and then an arrow icon from the kit and a coffee cup icon from the kit. And then we also had my little birthday dinner, so I'm using a third box from the kit. I love how this one has the raven with the little dangly bows, and I am using a pen flourish from Honey Ink to separate those things right there, and just wrote that. We went to one of my favorite restaurants called the Boiling Crab. We also went and got boba afterwards for dessert, but I didn't have room to mark it. So yeah, I had a great birthday. Thank you all so much for your sweet birthday wishes. And of course, for my Gratitude Wednesday, I was grateful for 33 years of life. Moving on to Thursday, I'm going to take one of these really pretty, like, lacy mandala dividers or whatever. I don't know what it is, from Honey Inked. And then I was going to take a half box, but it didn't quite fit. It was just a tiny bit too big. So I'm going to take a third box instead. I love, again, the little dangly ones. And I was going to use one of these transparent hearts from Wild Summer Designs, but I decided to just nix it. But I did use a transparent teardrop from The Giving Girl, and then a fork and spoon bow icon, transparent icon from Simply Watercolor Co. To mark my second Bday dinner, which was at Sammy's Wood-Fired Pizza. I just joked with, like, my husband that he got 2 birthday dinners. And so I wanted 2 birthday dinners too. And that was a joke, but the real thing was we did plan on going there anyway, just because I did have a coupon for a free sundae, which was, like, huge and really good. And, but he did get 2 birthday dinners because we had planned on taking him out, just me and my son. And then his parents surprised us and took us out as well, for his birthday. So I was like, well, you got 2 birthday dinners. So, highly recommend Sammy's Wood-Fired Pizza if there's one near you. They have a happy hour every day from 3 to 6, and it's really good priced. There's a lot of good food on there. When I used to eat meat, I always got the duck tacos, and they were so good. They are so good, but of course I don't eat poultry or meat like that anymore, but if I did, I would definitely recommend the duck tacos because they're really good. My gratitude I wrote for Thursday with Bday dinner. Friday I didn't really have any room to put anything in, so I just used one of these pretty flourish dividers from Sadie Stickers, and then a mini mandala from Honey Inked, but I cut it just so it was kind of like a little mandala corner. I mean, it could have fit there, and I was kind of thinking maybe what if I put it vertically on the right side, but it was just like a little too big, so I just cut it, and it looks cute as a little corner. For my Gratitude Friday, I wrote freebies just because I was grateful to have all these little birthday freebies from, different stores and stuff. So Saturday, I just checked off my checklist and I wrote in what we watched for our family night Saturday. We watched WandaVision. I love that show. And then The Croods, The Croods, the second one. I don't know. Which is cute. That was mostly, for my son. And then I put a flourish divider from Honey Inked in there just because I don't know why. I thought it would look pretty. I wrote time for my gratitude on Saturday because, we always feel like we never have enough time, and you also never know when your time's going to run out. So I'm grateful for the time that I do have. Then on to Sunday, I'm going to take a couple of flags from The Giving Girl and this TV doodle from Wild Summer Designs to mark that I beat the Little Nightmares 2 game. So last week, my husband had played it and I mostly watched it. There was a couple times that I played, but mostly I just watched him play. I like to watch people, like gamers and stuff. Anyways, but there was a couple of secrets that we found out that he missed out on, like these little glitches in the game that you're supposed to, like, collect. So I went back and collected all the rest of the glitches and beat the final boss and everything, so we could see the, like, secret ending. It was so cool, and I love that game so much. We both love it so much, and it was just fun to, like, he already beat the game or whatever, but then it was fun for me to go in and play the game and beat it. So I beat the game on Sunday. Then I checked off my checklist and I wrote Mercari on the bottom list there because I've been listing some planner things on Mercari. Just find me at moonprismplanner. Is that how you find people on Mercari? Because I don't even know. Then I took a little mini bow divider from the Pretty Pink Co. and a little doodle arrow from Colored Daze just to point at the TV. I'm also going to take a half box and just mark that we went to Trader Joe's on Sunday and just to get a few groceries. So I'm going to use a arrow from the kit and then a Trader Joe's script from Wild Summer Designs with a shopping cart, like little bow icon from The Giving Girl from 2019 Black Friday. And then for my gratitude on Sunday, I just wrote Be a Little Nightmares 2 because, again, we love that game so much. And there's just so many good Easter eggs. It's such a good story. The music is so good. It's just like there's nothing bad about it. It's such a good game. Anyways, so that's everything for this memory plan with me. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it helps out my video and it helps out my channel, and I truly appreciate your support. Definitely subscribe if you're not already because I make videos regularly and you don't want to miss out. I hope that y'all are well. Remember that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are enough just the way that you are, and don't let anyone ever tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your week, an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye! Bye.